Hi everyone, if you didn't see my last video, my name is Amber, and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. I'm using a basic Toll House cookie recipe. It's delicious and it's pretty similar to the other ones you'll find online, and it's a good base recipe. First thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and if you're planning to make cookies, you probably want to take the butter out of the fridge and let it get to room temperature. You don't want the butter to be melted. It'll ruin the texture of the cookie, and if it's too hard you can't mix it well with the other ingredients. So first I'm going to start with the cooking utensils you need. You want to get a measuring cup. One that goes above a cup is best because some of the ingredients go above a cup and you won't have to get other cups dirty. And then you need an egg beater. You can use an electric if you prefer. A spoon, a wooden spoon is what I'm using, but you could use any type. Then you need 2 separate mixing bowls, about this size, pretty big. They're too small, they won't all fit. And then you need, for a measuring spoon, you only need a teaspoon. You don't need a tablespoon or anything like that. And then a baking sheet. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to mix the flour dry ingredients. So you're going to take 2 1/4 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to mix that in one of the bowls, doesn't matter which one, and put it to the side. And then you're going to take the second bowl and mix the butter and sugar. So you're going to take 2 6 or 1 cup of butter. The butter usually is labeled with measurements, so that's useful. And then you're going to take 3/4 cups of brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you'll use the egg beater I pointed out to mix that one, because a regular spoon won't mix the butter very well. And then once you get the sugary buttery mixture mixed up really well, you're going to add 2 eggs, but you're going to add 1 egg at a time. So add 1 egg and then mix it, and then add the other egg and mix it, and then take the bowl that you put to the side of the flour ingredients and mix it into the other bowl slowly. Just add a little at a time, mix it, add a little at a time and mix it. And then you can add the best part, the chocolate chips. Need 2 cups of these, and as optional, chopped nuts. I don't ever use that. So you'll mix all those together, and then once everything's mixed together into one bowl, you will take 1 tablespoon of each of the mixture and put it on an ungreased baking sheet and cook at 350 for 9 to 11 minutes, or until they're golden brown. A few tips I researched for this is if you like a really gooey cookie, you actually add extra flour, about 1.5 cups or 2 cups extra. And then if you really like crispy, which is what I like, they recommend that you use half baking soda, half baking powder, and I have that here. So you would use half a tablespoon of baking powder and half a tablespoon of baking soda instead of a whole teaspoon of just baking soda. And another tip given online was to refrigerate the batter for up to 24 hours, and it blends the flavors together better. And I think next time I will try that. Today I didn't cook the cookies actually because it was over 100 degrees and I don't think our house could handle the heat. And I hope that was helpful to you, and when you make cookies again, I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.